I see a sea of faces full of hope for the future. You have worked so hard, traveled so far. It is an individual milestone, as it's equally a moment to celebrate for all of us.
Look around this beautiful room. Remember the faces you see and love, because their impact has been a big part of your success today. Even with all of this love, guidance, and support, your medical education journey has been filled with challenges.
That no matter how medicine will evolve with new technologies, it will never replace the living, breathing human beings who are graduating today.
So one thing I want to say is, ultimately be very truthful to this profession. So money will come automatically. And the other thing is, you always don't be proud of yourself. Treat the patients with warm-heartedness and make a rule that I treat, God heals.
But the CCU has got around 33% of the FMG result, which we are very proud, and we are very happy to see that to be around 60 to 70 in the December. I'm not I don't want to have 100 out of 100% in the coming December, but I wish if you work hard, you will definitely get 100 of 100, and which makes the CCU proud of you.
Everyone.